Kelly, I stole your bag and put it on top. Yeah, because when I was in Tampa, I put my foot over it. That was a great set.
They're playing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You got hold of it now.
Right. Out.
Is it horrible that I'm already dating Australia in the morning?
You're nervous?
I'm always nervous.
Why are you nervous? Are you nervous?
There's nothing to stay here. There's nothing to stay here.
I'm not nervous.
You should be. So, she reached out to her Florida Sandstorm. I'm excited for her.
She's reached out to Erskine. She's reached out to some other people, but I haven't specifically asked.
Erskine wants for that.
Sometimes she has options. It's so tough because, I don't know, with indoor too.
That's a different adventure for her because she could get a much bigger scholarship from them, but it is D2, but she could play for 2 years and move on.
Nice guy. Nice set, Lauren.
Nice guy.
That was perfect.
Hey, that was so good, Sky. Oh my gosh.
How y'all doing?
What are we just starting to?
Yeah.
Keep us in the
Should be.
We're
You should be.
praised.
Yeah. Easy. That was a great serve.
Hustle. She's a hustler. Short.
That was perfect.
Smart girls. Did you see that? I'm sorry, I'm interrupting.
Yes, I said it.
Just that. I think it's just, I really have a new appreciation for any girl who says we're taking time out. Because I don't feel like our girls ever do.
Be more aggressive with your feet, especially in transition, Sky. After a dig, be patient, then go. Be aggressive. So you have that option to put a little pace on it.
Okay.
Then just settle. I want you to think pace first, then go.
Is it supposed to rain here later?
Yes!
Is it?
It said it was like 60, 70%. It
didn't
said
even look
later
at the
on.
weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, it said 70%.
And then tomorrow it's supposed to be in the low 60s maybe. So if it does rain,
Oh, guess what, Scott?
it might be a little bit cooler.
Here, open your thing. It's supposed to be raining tonight. So by the time we leave the outdoors restaurant, we should have an umbrella.
Be nice and wet.
Yeah.
Maybe a hood
Okay.
or two.
Or two.
It might be art in the alley tonight, by the way.
Oh, is it really?
It might be.
Is my you can leave them in there, Kelly, if you want. Yeah, and then we'll throw them all away all at one time.
Alright,
No.
ready? Yeah. Let's go. Keep being aggressive. Yes.
Yeah, it's a good. Oh,
Sorry,
I usually bring. Yeah, I just throw them in there and then we'll.
do you need a syrup or anything, babe?
No, there's no trash cans anywhere.
Hey, watch something like you after the timeout, right? Watch the option.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a great block. She should have cut. No, well, she should have cut. Right, she swung right into a solid. It was great.
That was a good block.
And that was a hard swing, too. It's good.
What should she say?
Angle.
Oh, when she went up.
Yeah, let's go, Kenzie, stay big.
Got to know that.
Was on the line.
That was a big rock.
It didn't interfere.
They could get a field.
Shouldn't have.
They shouldn't have.
What's you
Oh, for kids' sake.
They're asking. I don't know.
It had nothing to do with it, did it? Is he going to say ball don't lie?
You were there, Scott.
You're so funny.
Let's go, Sky. Let's go, Lauren. Yeah. Do you know the score?
I don't.
6-3 us, maybe 7-3 now.
I have pepperoni, salami.
It's a charcuterie.
Yeah. Look at all your snacks too. Always have good stuff. I love it.
Pickles, cheese. We just had some wine.
It's a great serve.
Out. Let's go, Sky.
Lauren did right on her hand.
Good
Nice
job.
save.
Smart move. Well done. Well done, but why was it Sky reaching?
Here you go, Kenzie, one at a time. Great
I
job.
know. Look at her. She knows.
Maybe Chris is telling you something that you're supposed to do.
Yeah, let's go, Kenzie.
Let's go, Sky. Let's go, Lauren.
Oh, good seed. Watch the ball.
Yeah, here you go, Ken. Okay, see you.
Just one. See, you bring food out.
You want this hummus?
No.
Are you hummus
I
person?
love hummus. I like the garlic.
This, I love this because it's not garlicky.
Oh.
No,
There's the pasta. Go good.
this is Mandy's favorite potato chip. And I'm a Ruffles person, but now I'm starting to understand why he likes this potato chip.
Alright, we just gotta clean it up. Nine.
What was it?
9-5.
Keep saying small because I think
It's starting to get cloudy. It's good.
Let's go, Sky. Let's go, Lauren.
overemphasizing things, find a rhythm and let's keep the rhythm for today. And then, like I said, just love to have that.
Oh my gosh.
I know they both.
Just got mid. Let's practice. I got mid. Got mid. Smash.
Oh, nice up.
Oh, nice up.
Great work. Oh, good try. Hi.
It's like, come on, say hi, sit a spell.
I didn't even see it.
I was like,
How's everything going?
hey, good.
Great to see you.
You remember Landon?
Hey, yeah. Good to see you.
Hey, thanks for the
May I
flowers.
sit?
Nice up.
By all means, thanks for the flowers. We were just, Sky was delighted. I think she reached out to you.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
of
that
course.
was really sweet.
That's great. Yeah. There's, look, I was looking for someone else. Kenzie Posadas.
She's blue ball. We're playing on the
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah,
Okay.
Let's go.
yeah. Yes, she does.
Yeah, she's the client.
That's what I finished with you. She's a scrapper.
Oh, you got it.
Parker's a huge great. Nobody. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Good stuff. Yeah. She really. I wonder if we could see.
Well, that, I want to do more of that, but I haven't done a lot of it. I have a friend up there who has a beautiful book yard.
Oh, nice touch, Ash.
So you're good.
Are you standing with
You got
Coach?
finished. What up, Wayne?
Hey, how are you, buddy? Everything good?
Yeah, no complaints. Awesome. Yeah, man.
Chance for girls a chance to sit.
Beautiful day.
But
So first days are always, it's always the same. It's really about just handling your business and your side of the court, right? It's kind of that simple. So make sure that that's our focus. So being efficient offensively. And we're going to be good. I'd still like to see you get out and go a lot harder into that angle. We're kind of, you're setting your angle, but you're
Like
coming in.
mid-court.
Harder to the corner.
Coming to distract.
You know what I mean? Just get out and really drive even halfway down that line. You know what I mean?
Try to like get more on that.
Yeah. So we're not trying to hit that cut shot.
Like everything's just better.
So we're just working right over
Tastes
it.
better.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, drinks a little.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, and but then come in hard. Right now you're kind of coming in flat and you're turning, but you're turning and your momentum is going away from where you're hitting.
You gotta tell my dad that.
You know what I'm saying? That creates inconsistencies. Yeah.
Can I come home for college and like
Plus, it's gonna let you hit that angle much better when you with pace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not to mention, she's gonna have to decide if she's gonna sit or run the ball.
Gotcha. Yeah, that one I hit right into her. I got it up.
Yeah. Off your shoulder.
Do you understand, Lauren?
Yeah, he's saying like have pace
I know, I
more
was
instead of
just-
turn away. I'm doing a lot of turning away when I hit.
And again, that just creates inconsistencies. So with the contact.
Yes, her whole body turns.
Yeah, I want it to be a little more efficient.
And that she
Right
does
here.
that
And indoor too.
and indoor too. And I'm like, yes, it's like a bad habit that started, and I'm just trying to
I
break
don't really
it.
understand why they teach kids to live with them like that indoor.
A lot of one of our moves is like the away shot. Like if I'm on the out, like to hit that cross to like that really like.
See, to me, that makes no sense. Though. I don't want anything going away from my target. I want everything to come
Because
through the
it's-
ball.
yes.
But that's just me. What do I know about indoor? I don't know. I just know out here it's all about accuracy. And the less you do with your body, the better off
And
you are.
yes,
So
I agree.
it's to kind of help and hit away from the block.
But it's not good on your body. But
I'm kind of distracting you.
all right, go get him.
Good, how are you? Back here
Wow.
already.
Two weekends in a row.
Aren't you so lucky? Sorry, I'm gonna like.
no, you're
bother
good.
guys.
You are good. Hi.
Lauren's mom, Jennifer.
Hi, I'm Lauren Broski's mom.
Nice to
to
meet
meet
you,
you.
Jazzy.
Hi, I see you a lot.
I was gonna say,
Thing. I follow you,
probably
AB.
never met her because you weren't there. Your husband was there the weekend we went.
Oh,
Jazzy's
okay.
son.
You're a senior, right?
Yes, I am.
Yes, yes.
Last year, but I
You
enjoy
killed
it.
it.
I like keep coming
She-
to
You
it.
have been killing it.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Yes, I know that name.
I wanted to make sure you knew who she was.
Thank you.
Hence the
Now I
UAB
can say I
gear.
actually met her.
Yeah, here I am.
So, yeah.
I'm find a pile of sand. That's usually how it goes. That's the award my coach
Yes.
gave me 2 years ago.
Oh, Paul?
How many teams do you have here?
Just my girls. They
Oh,
are
nice.
handful. They're just a handful. They're playing to have fun. Last week was that serious, but I'm like, of course the college, when our colleges are recruiting, she wasn't
Yeah, that makes sense. I understand
She's
that.
fun.
Are you talking about your sister?
Mhm.
Your picky sister? Where
Yeah,
does
my
she,
picky little
where does
thing.
she live?
She's in Ohio
Oh.
with my parents, and we came to FGCU.
Ooh, that's
It's
a nice
possible.
school.
It is a nice school. It's just you have to like drive everywhere to get to places, which kind of stinks.
Yeah. Tegan drives to class.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's like, it's tough.
See, I normally walk, but from where my courts are, the nursing building is the complete opposite side.
Oh.
So
Yeah,
it's
it's-
not a bad walk.
Right.
It's like 10 minutes.
But if you're crunched on time, sometimes.
Alright. Oh,
Let me know if
Good
you
luck,
need help.
Teague. Looks
For
like
sure,
your
for
team's
sure.
doing well.
Yeah, we got banned from scooters because one of our girls tore her PCL.
Oh no.
She what?
She tore her PCL. This was last fall, not this past fall. Last fall.
Wow.
And so she had surgery.
Oh,
She's still like struggling.
Lauren,
Go.
nice spot.
That was nice.
Goodness.
Lauren, remember me? I think she was.
Who?
Lauren.
Yes, she said your name on the way here. She was so excited.
Oh,
Because Sky, I think Sky told her that you were here or
Yeah.
something. Yes. So she's like, oh, yeah. So I'm sure she sees you and she can't wait to see you.
if
This is
Chris
2
isn't out
weekends
there,
in a
I'll go
row.
out there.
That's
Yeah.
what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I was like, I got Jazzy in the back.
Yeah.
Jazzy was awesome and pinch hit for Tegan last weekend with Sky
Really?
and Lila.
Oh, they were great.
Oh,
It was we had like the battle of the young youth and skill versus old age and treachery. The 26 is a GSU UAB commit versus the 27 is a GSU
Nice.
UAB commit. So that was really funny though. Tegan's coaching Izzy Davidian.
Yes.
So he's coaching Izzy today, and Izzy was saying to him last night, yeah, we really thought we were going to just roll over Sky and Lila. We did not.
Wait, Izzy's here?
Yeah, she's here.
I didn't see
She's
her.
playing with,
oh, nice up. Nice
Good
Sky.
idea. Good idea.
yeah. These guys
Go
don't
see
say,
it.
Oh.
good try. Nicely done. These ladies do not say that.
It's so hard to come down from a block and react.
Janice Stefanski. I know you know the name. I don't really know the girl, but I know the name as well.
I know.
She's very nice.
See that I know faces. I'm terrible
I'm
with
very
names.
good with faces, but then I
With the names and
then
you're
it meshes. I'm like, I
yep.
don't know you. And I thought,
Oh, Lauren Broski.
Second or third point on that move.
it's just
Buffy, are you
Second
guys
set.
done? Did
Very easily.
We're good, thank you.
We're good.
It was a bigger spread.
Chris is really good about like
what year is that?
2027. She's got one more year.
16, 8, 18, 10.
No. She is not recruited. No.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Huh? Your coaches?
There's I don't know.
Sometimes they tell me things, sometimes they don't.
Yes, I just don't know what I could say. No, yes, still your coaches, which is phenomenal.
Good. She's sweet girl.
She is sweet.
Oh, nice
Good
recovery.
recover.
She's so sweet. She picks up so easy.
Yeah, these guys are great.
She does good.
Oh, nicely done, Kenzie. Nicely
It's okay,
done.
you just pulled over to the right just a little too much.
So's her partner. You look at her and you think, oh, okay, taller, broad.
Yeah.
Dylan will be here in a little bit.
Will
went
she?
to- Yeah, her fiance went
Like
to,
arms for days.
Yeah,
Soak It.
like but she doesn't
Yeah.
sit here. It's been like a 6
Yeah, the clinic. Yeah, I think Lauren texted her, I think, so.
Yes.
She just like
Yes. We're makes me think of Dora.
And then we were, where were we a few weeks ago? And in Tampa, and Dylan was there, and she saw her.
Yeah, Dylan told me that she's been in Florida like.
Yes, a lot. And then Delaney has been. Where's Delaney? She's somewhere this weekend, isn't she?
I don't know.
Maybe,
if
or
she's
she had something, or she's
Jesse,
gonna be
did you-
somewhere else.
were you at the clinic?
I didn't run it, but I was there. I was watching. I like to see all the coaches.
Was it somebody else there from UAB? Coach West?
Delaney or
Just
Dylan.
Dylan.
Dylan's here.
Yeah.
Yeah. She'll be here in just a minute.
Delaney, I'm not sure if she's recruiting. She did go to Florida, but I think
Yeah, she had an emergency situation somewhere recently. Yeah.
uh,
She was at ECC's.
yes.
Nice hustle.
And
Nice hustle. Oh,
good.
okay. Nice swing, Sky.
Get it, Lauren.
Go! Girl. Good tracking. But Delaney, she's still in her. She must be in her second trimester now of pregnancy.
Is she pregnant?
She's pregnant? Oh, did not know.
Yeah, I don't know if you saw her Instagram.
We didn't know.
No,
I saw like a sad story where she's tried and has lost a baby or something.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So, oh my God, I have